Okay, here we go here at Ozzy's Auto Repair again. We found another problem with one of these cars, oil leak problem on these Kias with the V6 engines with the 3.5 with Kia Sorrento or Sedona, with the ones with the 3.5 engine V6 engines. It's got an oil leak and it looks like the oil is leaking from between the transmission and the engine. It looks like the rear main seal is leaking or the oil filter housing gasket, it looks like is leaking, but it's not it. The oil is actually coming from the top, from the oil pressure sensor right there. Oil pressure sensor goes right in there and it starts leaking oil into this valley. From there it flows down and there's a hole right down in there. There's a hole right down in there, and that from that hole it goes into the back of the block and it drops down between the transmission and the engine. So if you have an oil leak on these cars between the engine and the transmission, right in between the bell housing right there, and soaked with oil all around, all right, it's the oil pressure sensor that's bad. All you need is an oil pressure sensor and the intake manifold gasket set. That's all you need. Replace the parts and it takes about 3 hours in and out. You're done. Don't take the transmission apart, don't take out the engine, this and that, you know what I mean? And just the oil pressure sensor and the intake gaskets right on top and you're done. That's it, nothing else. That's your problem right there. All right, thanks for watching. Here's my man right here, Jairo, working on the car. And yep, and don't forget to wash everything out, start it up and just leave it running after you finish the job. Double check your work. Thank you for watching.